Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Cars HQ. Today we're diving into the 2027 Rivian R1T, a truck that doesn't just represent another model year update, it represents a bigger shift in what pickup trucks are becoming in America. This isn't just about horsepower or towing numbers. It's about how software, electrification, and intelligent engineering are redefining the most traditional vehicle segment on the road. And if you think electric trucks are still in their experimental phase, the 2027 R1T might change your mind. Before we go further, subscribe to Future Cars HQ, because this vehicle shows where the future of driving is heading. The Rivian R1T has always stood apart in the EV truck space, competing with names like the Ford F-150 Lightning and Tesla Cybertruck. But the 2027 evolution feels more mature, more refined, more confident. Rivian isn't trying to prove electric trucks are possible anymore. That argument is over. Now it's about optimization, efficiency, and intelligent performance. Design-wise, the R1T continues its clean, modern aesthetic. The signature vertical LED light bar and rounded front fascia still make it instantly recognizable. But the subtle aerodynamic refinements for 2027 show how EV design is becoming more purpose-driven. Every curve now serves range. Every surface helps airflow. This is what happens when a brand builds from an electric-first platform instead of adapting a gasoline chassis. Under the skin is where the bigger story unfolds. The quad-motor setup that made the R1T famous has evolved with improved efficiency and smarter torque vectoring. Instant torque delivery remains a defining characteristic, but now it's paired with better energy management. Battery chemistry improvements across the industry are delivering higher energy density, meaning more range without dramatic increases in weight that matters for a pickup. Especially in America, where towing, hauling, and road trips define truck culture. Performance in the 2027 R1T isn't just about being quick off the line, though it absolutely is. It's about control. Electric motors at each wheel allow precise torque distribution in milliseconds. Off-road capability benefits enormously from this. Instead of relying on mechanical differentials alone, software now becomes the traction manager. This is the new frontier of capability. The truck is thinking while you're driving, and that brings us to the broader industry transformation. The R represents the merging of automotive engineering and Silicon Valley software culture. Over-the-air updates continue to play a major role. Features improve after purchase, efficiency algorithms refine, driver assist systems evolve. The truck you buy today won't be exactly the same truck 2 years from now, and that's intentional. Inside, the 2027 model leans further into digital minimalism. Physical buttons are reduced, but not eliminated. Rivian understands truck buyers still want tactile feedback. However, the central interface feels closer to a tech product than a traditional dashboard. AI-assisted route planning, energy-aware navigation, and smart terrain response systems are integrated seamlessly. The vehicle doesn't just display data, it interprets it. Advanced driver assistance systems now rely on improved sensor fusion, combining cameras, radar, and computing power to create a more confident, semi-autonomous highway experience. But what's important is balance. The R1T still feels driver-focused. It's assistive, not intrusive. When you compare this to older generations of pickups, gas-powered V8 trucks built around mechanical dominance, the difference is dramatic. The R1T doesn't rumble, it surges. It doesn't rely on displacement. It relies on software precision. And yet, it still tows, it still climbs, it still gets dirty. That's the critical shift happening in the truck world. Capability is no longer defined by combustion. For drivers, this means something bigger. It means performance lovers don't have to choose between sustainability and speed. It means outdoor enthusiasts can explore trails with near-silent propulsion and zero tailpipe emissions. It means long-term ownership might look different, with fewer moving parts and more software upgrades instead of mechanical repairs. The petrol versus electric debate is slowly transforming into something else entirely. It's no longer about whether EVs can compete. It's about how quickly they'll dominate certain segments. Trucks with a final stronghold of internal combustion loyalty in America. Vehicles like the 2027 Rivian R are breaking that barrier. And perhaps most importantly, trucks are becoming smart machines. The R1T constantly analyzes terrain, battery temperature, load distribution, and driver input. It adapts, it optimizes, it evolves. This is not just a vehicle you drive, it's a system you interact with. The 2027 Rivian R1T doesn't scream for attention with radical redesigns or outrageous claims. Instead, it demonstrates something more powerful, steady, intelligent progress. It shows that electric trucks are moving from disruption to refinement, from novelty to normalcy, and that's why it matters. Because when a vehicle like this becomes common on American roads, it signals that the future isn't coming, it's already here. Thanks for watching Future Cars HQ. Subscribe, share, and stay tuned.